In 2024, India's Central Drug Standard Control Organization, CDSCO, has approved 19 new drugs, marking a significant milestone for the country's pharmaceutical sector. These approvals include several next-generation therapies and first-in-class drugs developed by global pharmaceutical giants, addressing a range of chronic conditions such as cancer, diabetes, and infections. Leading Indian pharmaceutical companies such as Sun Pharma, Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, Lupin, Cipla, and Zydus Life Sciences have formed partnerships or marketing alliances to introduce these innovative medications to the Indian market. Additionally, many global pharmaceutical companies have chosen to launch their products directly in India. One of the most noteworthy approvals came in early January with the greenlighting of Eli Lilly's Mounjaro, Tirzepatide injection for the treatment of diabetes and obesity. The blockbuster drug, which has been available in the U.S. for a couple of years, is expected to generate global sales of $27 billion by 2029, surpassing Novo Nordisk's Ozempic, semaglutide in the weight loss market. Eli Lilly plans to launch Mounjaro in India in 2025. A major development in India was the approval of Enmetazobactam, a novel active pharmaceutical ingredient, API, developed by Chennai-based Orchid Pharma. This compound is part of a combination drug, cefepime and enmetazobactam, formulated as a dry powder injectable. This drug targets severe infections caused by drug-resistant bacteria and addresses a critical unmet medical need. Orchid Pharma has partnered with Cipla Limited to distribute the drug in various markets. In February 2024, Cipla Limited received approval for Plazomicin, an innovative antibiotic for treating complicated urinary tract infections, QTI. Plazomicin is the first intravenous drug of its kind, developed to combat antimicrobial resistance, a growing global health issue. Cipla USA holds the global patent for the drug and markets it under the brand name Mounjaro in the United States. In the mental health space, Sun Pharma launched Tranxiety, etifoxine hydrochloride, an anti-anxiety medication, in India. The drug helps treat anxiety-related disorders such as excessive worry, tension, and restlessness. Another important launch came in October when Dr. Reddy's Laboratories introduced Bixibat, Elobixibat, a first-in-class drug for the treatment of acute constipation. Constipation affects around 12% of India's population, and many people on existing treatments remain unsatisfied. Bixibat provides a novel option for these patients. The drug was developed by Albireo AB and licensed to Ferring Pharmaceuticals for further development. In August, Sun Pharma launched Sterizo, tetazolide phosphate, a novel antibiotic for the treatment of acute bacterial skin and skin structure infections. The company secured rights from Sao MSD to develop, manufacture, and market the drug in India. A significant launch also occurred when Zydus Life Sciences, Lupin, when we introduced Vonoprazan for the treatment of stomach ulcers and gastroesophageal reflux disease in partnership with Takeda of Japan. This next-generation proton pump inhibitor represents an advancement in the treatment of acid reflux and related conditions. In diagnostics, the Serum Institute of India developed Siltabi, a skin test diagnostic aid for detecting Mycobacterium tuberculosis-derived antigens, an essential tool in the fight against tuberculosis. The oncology space also saw important drug approvals, with Eli Lilly receiving CDSCO's nod to import and market Retevmo, Selpercatinib, an anti-cancer drug used in the treatment of non-small cell lung cancer and thyroid cancers. Meanwhile, Zydus Life Sciences secured approval for Nelarabine injection, a treatment for T-cell acute lymphoblastic leukemia and T-cell lymphoblastic lymphoma in patients who have not responded to other chemotherapy treatments. The global market for Nelarabine was valued at $137.9 million in 2023 and is projected to reach $148.4 million by 2030. Other notable drug approvals include Elagolix, tablets, an endometriosis drug from Sun Pharma, Mavacamten, a cardiology drug from Bristol Myers Squibb, BMS, and Brigatinib, a lung cancer drug marketed as Alenbrig by Ariad Pharmaceuticals. The year 2024 has proven to be a significant one for India's pharmaceutical landscape, with multiple groundbreaking drugs now set to make their way into the Indian market.